Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your dongle firmware and your iPhone iOS are compatible. Mismatches cause pairing failure. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both on, and the car is in accessory or ignition on mode, so USB power is active. Plug the dongle into a USB port that supplies data and power. Some ports only charge and won't work. Wait 30 to 45 seconds for the dongle LED to indicate ready. Once done, move to pairing steps with your phone. Now you pair and configure the network. On iPhone, choose the dongle SSID under Wi-Fi if the device uses a hotspot, entering the printed password. Otherwise, start Bluetooth pairing in settings right arrow general right arrow CarPlay or Bluetooth and accept prompts on both ends. If the car asks to allow CarPlay while locked, enable it so the connection persists. Make sure the infotainment source is set to CarPlay. If the screen doesn't switch, restart the head unit or close, and reopen the CarPlay session to force a fresh handshake. Finish by verifying core functions. Make a call, ask Siri something, and start navigation so you confirm audio, mic, and screen control all work. If the dongle is unresponsive, perform a factory reset using the small reset hole and repair the phone. This clears corrupt settings. Should connection drop intermittently, switch to a different USB port, avoid powered hubs, and disable low power or Wi-Fi optimization on your iPhone. One quick tip: reboot both phone and car system before reattempting to rule out temporary software glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.